Hi, it's John. I thought I'd do another unboxing video. This came other day, and I've already opened it because I wasn't sure what I've ordered. I've bought so much stuff just recently, but here we go. So it was pretty well wrapped, and here we go. It's a Commodore 16. Now, isn't that a thing of beauty? Very nice, almost mint condition, a little bit dusty, just needs a clean. But there's one, how can I say this? It doesn't quite look like one, because as soon as I do that, the power supply button, the power supply is now a button. And so when you look round the back, we've got some USB slots and some venting and a VGA cable and a network cable. This is a Commodore 16 Windows PC. This will run Windows XP, or I could make it into a Linux machine, but at the moment it's got Windows XP on it, and I'm looking forward to switching this on. The fact that I've got a Commodore 16, but it's not a Commodore 16, it's a Windows machine, so I'm looking forward to trying that out. And so what we've got here is we've got a standard, looks like a laptop power supply, and VGA cable, power cable, and well, that's packing. So yeah, so that means now I've got two Commodore 16s, but I've got a real Commodore 16 and a Spy. So it's going to be interesting to see how this performs. But like I say, it's a true Commodore 16. It's got its serial number. It's a proper case. I'm going to what I'll do is I'm right. So let's see how many. So there's one screw. So I'm going to take this apart and we'll have a look inside it. So let me just grab a screwdriver. Right, so I've got a screwdriver. So here we go. I'm going to take the one and only screw that's in there out. There we go. And we'll see what it's like inside. Well, look at that. That is a thing of beauty. So we've got here, we've got a 15 gigabyte drive. We've got a very, very small, it's almost a single board computer there. Got USB hub. Looks like that's a video. No, it's not. Don't know what that is. But there's the external hub and the keyboard interface that I've bought for the Raspberry Pi, the 64 Raspberry Pi project. So I like how he's done the power switch. But that is a very nice looking, very clever. So I'm looking forward to switching this on, to be honest. So the next time you'll see me is when I've switched it on, and I'll talk to you in a minute. Bye. Hello. Right, there we go. Commodore 16 PC is set up. So I've put the power supply in, I've connected it to the TV, got myself a mouse which I've put the transmitter in the USB port, and so we'll fire it up. So we'll hit the button. There we go. So there you go, Windows XP. We'll just let it load up, see what it comes up with. Well, we have a mouse pointer. And one Teletubby desktop. Right, let's try the mouse out, see if it works. There you go, mouse works. Right, so we have, it looks like they've put Vice on for us. So let's try, shall we try the VIC-20 emulator? Look at that. Cool. Let's shut that down and see if get the 64 going. All right. See if there's any images. There's stuff on my desktop, so C64 stuff. Alright, so Star Wars. Let's see, right, let's see. Now I've got no sound because I haven't got the sound plugged in, so. Okay. Oh, keep forgetting. Where's the asterisk? Oh, there it is. There we go. So this is a PC running Windows XP with the emulator on. It's cool, the power light is flashing, which looks like that's the disk disk activity light. Cool. Right. Right. Run. Press F1 to start. Now, is that working or not? Doesn't look like it, does it? Not even resetting. There we go. Let's do that. put it in warp mode to load it in. There we go, that's loaded it up quicker. Take it out. Run. Press F1 to start. There we go. Maybe there's something wrong with the image. Let's try another one. Boy, it's difficult using a mouse when you're trying to point it that way. Right, let's attach another image. What we've got here, hypersonic, let's try that. Alright, so what do we load? Well, get it to load the first one. We'll put it into warp mode. That's it. Run. Well, he's doing some decrypting for some reason, or it's either crashed. No, there you go, because it was cracked. There you go. Spacebar. Always qualify, yes. Press 5 to start. Nah. Don't have to play this game, so that's me in the bottom corner. Well, there you go. Let's just quit this and see what the spec's like. Oh, Everest Home. Right. Summary. So it's a 1 gigahertz processor. We've got 1 gig of RAM. No, 100. Yeah, 1 gig of RAM. And we have a Unichrome Pro 2 card. Got mute video sound adapter. 20 gigabyte hard drive currently in there, and 14 gig free. 3 USB slots, network adapter. So CPU All right. That'll be the TV. So, in terms of a computer, it's very nice, and it's powerful enough to run the emulators. I think it's pretty cool that you can. So this is going to be a great companion to with my C64 Raspberry Pi. So I've got a C16 Windows XP machine, and I'll have a C64 Pi machine when I finish the project. How cool is that? I hope mine turns out as slick and as compact as this. So I hope you enjoyed that video. We'll be using this machine a few times as well. Never know, I might dual partition it and put Linux on it. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you for the next one. Take care. Bye.